All right, I'm going to talk a little bit about these cheaper Chinese firing systems. I got two different kinds. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube about them. They go into detail about how they work and everything. I might do the same. This one right here, it has 99 channels. It's very easy to use and it works very well. I bought the system and 24 cues that came with it, and it was right around $95. Then I've bought these, comes with 12 cues and the remote, and they're right around $25, $30. And I bought two different sets. They work very well too. Very easy to use. Just got to make sure you set up your show and know what number you're hitting. Let me turn these on. So you would go to area 1. These are all in area 1. These are area 2s. And I set these up with the new system. And these are area 3 and these are area 4. Even though that these did not come with the system, you still can set them up with them. Get a little pin and push and hold down and then set it up. I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. So here we'll go to area 1 and let me get it in here. You can hit number 1. Oh, they're not in order. Let's put them in order. So we can hit number 1. Number 1 goes off. Number 2. Number 2 goes off. Number 3. 3 goes off. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. So you can fire them individually, or it has a rapid. So if I hit the rapid button, they'll go off fairly quickly, one after another. And then it has an all fire. So if I hit the all fire button, they all fire at once. So that's a button you would use for your finale or whatever you wanted to go off all at once. You could set up one of these cues just on area 1 and these other ones on a different one. Just depends on how you want to do it. Let me show you how to change the area. So I have this one right here. Let's say I want to change it to area 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a small pin and I'm going to push. Sorry, kind of hard to do with one hand. Hold on. Is it in the video? Mm-hmm. You got it? Yeah. So I'm going to push it. And the light's going to start blinking. So now I have it on area 6. So I'm going to hit number 1 and hold it down. And now area 6 is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I go back to 1, like these others, 1's not going to work. But 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 will work. So if I want to go back to this cue, I'd have to go back to channel 6, and number 1, 2, 3, and 4 will work. So you could set them up however you would like with whatever cues you want. I have these talons here. I would recommend not using these. I did not see good results out of them. They did not do well for me. These are going in the trash. I would definitely buy the MJGs or MGJs. Sounding stupid here now. But I would definitely buy the electric matches instead of the talons. But either one of these systems work very well, very easily to use. Here, this takes 6 batteries. The cues take 4. Oops, there we go. That's the way to break it. Let me know if y'all have any questions. I can respond and answer any type of questions if y'all are interested in getting these. I got mine off of eBay. They have some on Amazon, but I noticed the ones on Amazon are anywhere from $40 to $60 more than the ones on eBay. So I would definitely go to eBay and buy them instead of Amazon. Free shipping. It took only about a week for this one to show up, but these came straight from China, and it took almost 3 to 4 weeks for them to show up. So you can look at the ads on eBay, and it'll say if it's coming from the United States or if it's coming from China. So there's just a little preview. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Do not use those talons. That's my opinion, but I would not use them. They do not work well.